It's too short. I don't like it. Why would I do it this short? I don't like it. Oh my gosh, I cut it so damn short. Something is in my eye. Everything you wasn't trying to play. Baby. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I got this cut and bangs. This is crazy because this cut was very accidental. I did not mean for it to be this short. I don't know if I like it, but stay tuned to see how I got this look. Before we start, I just want to put my post notification on the screen. Thank you guys so much for being first to my last video. I appreciate you. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for supporting me constantly. And the people that I see the most, make sure you're following me on Instagram and DM me. Once I notice that you're very active with me, I will just like randomly message you for you to send me your address so I can send you giveaway items, because at this point I just want to support, well, actually reward the people that support me. So yeah, calm down. You're probably tired of me already. It's okay. Don't be tired of me, okay? I have one more wig. I have one more wig for the day. But this is the wig that I'm wearing for the rest of the day. I probably should have changed my outfit, but it's okay. We're friends right here. We're friends. We're friends. Are we friends? Comment down below. We're friends. So you're not gonna judge me, because it's kind of like you're here with me and you're seeing me putting on all these wigs like right after the other, and you don't have a problem with it because we're cool, right? Are we cool? Do you think we're friends? Like, I think we're friends. We're pretty cool. You're not gonna be mad. Will you be mad? I don't think you'll be mad. Well, if you're mad, I don't care. I mean, I am, but okay, I'm sorry. That's rude. Okay, today's wig, Sunber hair. Okay, if you haven't seen my other videos, please check them out. Please check them out, because it's a lace shortage, so there's no frontal. As you know, I love frontals, but today we're doing closure. All right, we're doing closure. I'm excited to see this because I really want to do a bob, but let's see how this closure is gonna work out. And I did not bleach the knots. We know how they do us, okay? I'm not gonna bleach the knots. I probably should, but I'm not. I'm gonna try to work it out with some makeup. I'm gonna put some makeup on it. I don't know why there's a school bus outside, because people are doing homeschool, but I digress, okay? Let's open up this box. This is how it looks. Sunber. I guess they're just giving us all the headbands, okay? They come with wig cap. We love that. We love that. We appreciate it. We stand. We stand the companies that give us wig caps, the companies that care, okay? Because we need these. They gave us snake print. We love it. We love snake print. We love snake print. Okay, so this one is a highlighted wig, just like the other ones. If you remember, I was doing the highlight wig videos. It was the longer wigs. It was like cute as shit. I installed it with Erica J glue. Y'all, this one is a shorter type of wig. I want it to be a little bit more shorter because I want it to be a bob. This is how it's looking. So this is a closure wig. I'm just going to install it like this. I'm not gonna fuss about it or anything. Oh my, the hairline is very thick, so we're gonna have to pluck it. So this is how it's looking. This is it. It actually has a fake scalp, and the closure is very tiny. So there's a fake scalp. So oh wow, I did not notice that. So it's a fake scalp, but also it's just a little strip of lace. So right here, the lace, and then there's track. Let me see if y'all could see that. So as you can see, like right here, there's tracks right there. This is the middle of the wig, and there's track right here. Oh, this is so hard to show. Let me put it on my head and show you. I think I might do a bang, like a little bang with this. All right, it's very flat. I like that so far. It's very soft. Okay, so for the lace, you can see the hairline is very wiggy, and I thought I was gonna go in and pluck it, but this is not really a lace all over because the lace is very scarce. So as you can see, okay, so this is the middle, and then onto the side of the hair, there's tracks. So this is not a lace closure wig. It's just like tracks all the way through right here, because as we know, the lace is scarce. So there's tracks all throughout this. Thought it was like a lace closure, but it's just tracks like the ones from the beauty store. So I think I want to go in and do some bangs. I think bangs will do good with this, just because I cannot pluck it and I don't want to be walking around with my hairline looking wiggy. That's just doing too much. So I'm going to get my hot comb and I'm going to come right back because I want to remove this part. I think I'm going to use some mousse to mold this down because I want it to be very wispy. I want the bangs to be very wispy. Oh, this is pretty. I can just do a thing like that. Let's see how we can make this look good because I'm shook. Okay, I need to cut off the lace place, and I'm gonna just tighten up this wig. I'm going to put this up more because I don't want it rubbing on my hairline. Okay, I'm just gonna cut this lace off like regular. It's really nothing to see because we're not taking our time to do this. We're just cutting it straight. Okay, so I just cut off the lace and I tighten it a little bit, and now I'm gonna try to do some bangs. I'm thinking if I should cut it. I don't know what I want to do to this. We're gonna work on the bangs first, so I want to put some water to get rid of this part. Just pour some water in my hand and I put it on the hair and just brush this down. I just want to get rid of this part. Okay, so now I'm going to take my time and cut this. I want to cut it like so because I want it to be kind of long. I want these bangs to be kind of long, so I'm just cutting it downwards. Now I'm just going to go ahead and kind of trim down the side area so I can get like a face, not face, what am I saying? Yo, this is hurting my head a little bit right here. Like, what the heck? Okay, so I'm going to cut it a little bit like so, just to give it a choppy type of look. I'm thinking if I want the bangs to be like this because I want it to be kind of sparse and but I'm gonna cut here a little bit. Just a tiny amount because I still want these bangs to be see-through. So I'm gonna cut up here. And cut here. Okay, I am gonna blow this out. I just want to see how this is going to look first before I do anything. I don't know. I'm seeing if I want to cut this into a bob. Oh, this will be cute. Okay, I just put some water on this and I'm gonna go ahead and fix up the bangs. All right, and now I'm going to use my blow dryer and just round brush blow. So now I'm gonna cut this into a bob. Hopefully it comes out good. These are just like messy bangs. They're not really, I don't know what this is, but I'm going to cut this into a bob. I want this bob to be kind of short. Hold on, let me be right back. Let me look for some inspo. All right, so I'm going to cut it like right here at an angle. So I want it to be kind of short. I've never done something this short, so bear with me. Now we can't go back. We can't go back. It's too short. It's too short. I don't like it. I don't like it. Why would I do it this short? I don't like it. Okay, but I have to keep going because I already picked it up. Oh my gosh, I cut it so damn short. Something is in my eye. Oh my gosh, this is so short. It looks a mess. Okay, now I have to finish my mess. Why would I do that? That's so annoying. Oh my gosh, I'm just cutting this shit so short. Okay, I don't know how I'm feeling about it yet. Like, I mean, I already cut it, so what am I gonna do? I can't go back. I'm so annoying. Okay, I'm gonna do this side. That just irritated me. Oh my gosh, I'm dirtying my damn top. I have to go in and flat iron this. I'm gonna ask my sister to help me. I have to go in and bump this underneath, and I want it to have body, so I'm not going to that just irritated me. I'm gonna go in the bathroom and try to fix up this cut, and then I'll come back. I like it, but I don't like it. Oh my goodness, what did I do?
I don't want to sound like I'm gassing you, but you got me on some stupid shit. That's what you got me on timing. I'm sweating you for real, and I don't care who knows. I want you, but maybe too much. And I don't wanna like no more pictures on your page. Girl, let's be real. Can we skip to the part where we're in loving and how it wants? Pull up on me and do the things that couples do. I don't have no more small talk left in me. I just wanna be.
I don't know if I'm feeling this hair. I thought it was cute, but I don't know. Let me know down below if you guys like this hair. I have not seen myself in a wig this short, especially a colored wig, and it's a bang. It's a bob, it's short, it's colored, it's a bang. Let me know down below if you guys are feeling this hairstyle, and if you are, I'm trying to let it grow on me. I don't know if I like it, but yeah, let me know if you guys are liking it, and I will definitely see you in my next video. I don't have nothing too long to say or nothing like that. I don't know how to feel about this hair, but I think it's alright. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit Sunber Hair. Yeah, visit Sunber Hair. I will have all the links down below, and yeah, bye.
I just wanna be your man. You know I don't mind sweating. You call me impatient, but I want you now. 'Cause FaceTime